Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start exercise 11.1 of chapter perimeter and area of class 7th. So here in question number 1, see what they are asking here. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Then we have to find its area, and then the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is rupees 10,000 here. So what is saying here, what is given to us here, that we are having a particular piece of land in the shape of a rectangle, fine, and its length and breadth is given to us, that its length is 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. And first of all we have to find out the area, and as we know that introduction we have done, then how to find out the area of rectangle, that we multiply both length and breadth here, this length and breadth. So let's start it now. So here the length of a rectangular piece of land is 500 meter and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land is 300 meter, and the area of rectangular piece of land is L multiply B, means length multiply breadth. So on substituting the value of length and breadth as 500 meter multiply 300 meter, what we got here, that is after the multiplication of this we got here 1,50,000 meters square, and this is the area of the rectangular piece of land. And now in second part they are asking to find out the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is rupees 10,000, and now it is given that the cost of 1 meter square land it is rupees 10,000, and we have to find out the cost of this much area of land covered by. So the cost of 1,50,000 meter square land is here. So what we'll do here, we will divide, we'll just do the multiplication, this one 10,000 with 1,50,000, and on multiplication we got here that this much is the cost of the land of this much area, we can say, fine. So this is a way to find out the cost and area of that particular rectangular piece of land, fine. So with the same way we'll move to the next question. In question number 2, see what they are asking here. Now in this question number 2 they are asking find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Now see again they are talking about a square whose perimeter is given to us. Okay, it's a square park whose perimeter is 320, and as just remember one thing, that whose area is given to you or whose perimeter is given to you, first of all apply that formula and put its value here. As I am going to start here, the perimeter of a square park it is 320 meter, and as the formula of the perimeter to find the perimeter of a square, that is 4 into side. So on putting 4 into side equals to 320 meter as it is given to you. So what we'll do here, we'll take 4 to the other side. By transposition it becomes from multiplication to division. So on dividing this we got here side as 80 meter. So in this way, after getting the side of a square park as 80 meter, now we're going to find out the area, as the area is we have to find out. So area of a square park is side square, because the formula to find out the area of a square, that is side square. So apply the formula here, as side is 80, so I write here 80 raised to power 2, and we know that when we having any numbers power 2, that means we will multiply that one number 2 times, that is 80 multiply 80. Then all multiplication what we got here, it is 6400 meters square, and this is the area of a square park. So in this way you can simplify question number 2. Now let's move to the question number 3 here. See what they are asking here. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square. Again what they are asking to find out the breadth, and that one particular land is, it's a rectangular plot of land, its area whose area is given to us, that is 440 meters square, and the length is 22 meters square meter. It means to say here, now as we have to find out the breadth of a rectangular plot of land whose area is given to us and whose length is given to us, and what is saying here, also find its perimeter. It means to say here, first of all we'll apply here the formula to find out the area of a square, that one rectangular plot of land that is given to us, fine. On after applying this, what we'll do here, we'll put here that one 440 is equals to L into B here, because this is the formula to find out the area of a rectangle. So on this what we'll do here, we'll put the value of length here, the length is 22, and we'll divide 440 by now 22, and after solving it we got here breadth as 20 meter. So right here, therefore the breadth of a rectangular plot is, it is 20 meter, and after that as they are asking to find out the perimeter, So apply here the formula of the perimeter, that is the perimeter of rectangular plot, that is 2 into L plus B. So here as the value of length is given to you, substitute here as 22 L, then B is here as we have find out, that is 20. So put here B as 20, and now adding 22 plus 20, that is 42, and now multiply this one 42 with 2 and we got 84, and this one 84 meter is the perimeter of a rectangular piece of land, or we can say rectangular plot. So this is a way to simplify the question number 3. Now in next question number 4, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Now perimeter is given to us of a rectangular sheet, it is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and also find the area. It means same as we had in question number 3, the same criteria we will use here. First of all, as perimeter is given to us, so what we'll do here, use the formula of perimeter. First of all, write the given what is given to you, as the length of a rectangular sheet is given, write it here. Then the perimeter of rectangular sheet is given to you here, send right here, then apply the formula, that is 2 into L plus B equals to 100. Now put here L as 35, B will be as it is because we will find out B here. So now as 2 is going to be multiplied with whole bracket now, so we'll take 2 to other side and divide 100 by 2 and we got 50. That means 35 plus B equals to 50. Now take 35 to the other side. By after doing transposition, we got here B as 15. And this B is the breadth of a rectangular sheet. Fine. Now we have to find out the area here. So apply here the formula to find out the area of a rectangular sheet, that is L multiply B. And length is given as already 35 and B we have find out already of 15. So 35 centimeter multiply 15 centimeter, it is 525 centimeters here, and this is the area of a rectangular sheet. So in this way you can simplify question number 4.